upon expiration of the current all-island license not to renew under existing terms.
Is this another political ploy by the government as it leads up to election? Or is this a genuine attempt to make life better for Jamaicans? Before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I want to hear from you. I want to build a community of well thinkers. So recently the government came out and state that they're not going to renew the contract with the only energy provider in Jamaica, which is JPS, Jamaica Public Services, right? Genuinely, I like the move. I applaud the move. I would have never thought the Jamaican government, whichever party it is, realize up to now, me no mention no party, the government. I've never thought the government of Jamaica would have made an attempt to negotiate with JPS in this manner. But I applaud it. I genuinely do. I see where they're saying they're in talks with other stakeholders who are willing to, I guess, come in and provide energy for the country. At least that's what I got from the press briefing that I saw, which again, I applaud this and I hope we get some competition in Jamaica as it relates to energy providers. But again, people, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?